Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add alternating picture circle layout in Microsoft Excel. So here we have imported a picture, this one, and now after selecting it, we have to click on this Format tab, which is a picture tool followed by picture layout. When you click on this picture layout, bunch of options, bunch of layouts will be shown where you have to select the second option in the fourth row. When you click on that, then alternating circle layout will be applied. And here if you see a small arrow is there, when you click on that, then this box appear where you can enter the text which you want to show here. I would enter. After entering the text, you can press enter to add another picture and another text. Similarly, you press more enter, the more pictures will be added. And here as you can see, the circle is in the same alignment, but the picture changes its position alternatively. So that's why we say it a picture alternating circle layout. And similarly, if you press backspace there, then the picture along with the text will be deleted. I will close this. Now let's suppose you want to edit this picture. So just select it and then use this picture tool by clicking on format, and then you can add this picture effect. You can add multiple of effects, guys. Now talking about this font, you can select it and use this font group in the home button to edit this font, and you can edit this layout also by selecting the layout, and you have to click on this design tab, and here in the smart art style you can edit the layout. You can change the color of the layout by selecting the figure, and here you can change the color. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.